Today I'm upgrading the brakes on the trailer using a kit straight from VEVOR. I know, VEVOR. Who would have thought? Trailer brakes. Well, I didn't until I did the old Google search and found they offer full kits. So let's take a look and see what's inside. And here's how the kit comes. 2 boxes inside of a big box. And as you can see there it is. You got your magnet, new wires, springs, disc or shoes, everything, backing plates. Well, here we go. Pretty simple. I mean, they basically look pretty much identical. Thickness of the backing plate, the same. Definitely more meat on these than the shoes that are on here. So we'll continue on. I'm going to take a little bit of WD. Now the reason the guy does it this way is this is how we're going to do it. We're literally going to just snip that off, right? We're going to grab the impact. Grabbed all the metric sockets because I'm used to metric so much lately, but this will work. And there we go. That's it. No messing around with springs. No messing around with springs, nothing like that. We've got the new wire sticking out the back. Everything's all ready to rock. We're gonna throw that on. And we're gonna move out of the way of the camera. And now, aside from doing the electrical, this one's done. Turn that down. Oh, it is on 2, which is good. It'd probably go down even more. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's a problem. So you make sure, not even on time lapse, like that's just live. So I'm gonna have to cut that a little bit, shrink tube it a bit. So watch out for that wire. You've heard it here first, folks. Oh, what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna pop this off the back, pop this piece, I'll run that through. So it broke 2 strands is all it did. So we are not going to fuss about it. We're going to take a piece of shrink tube, Now, aside from it being on camera, nobody will know. So we'll just feed this right back through. Okay, so next up, all the guys got to do is connect the wires, and it doesn't matter, polarity doesn't matter on these. Yeah, I am going to take a break and get some to drink and pop those bearings out and do some re-greasing, and I'll be back and we'll put this together and we'll pop along to the other ones. This really should only take about 20 minutes a corner. All products in this video from VEVOR are purchased by myself. I would love it if they jumped on board. Well, we'll see what happens in the future. So far, I've been impressed with everything I've bought. I have spent a little bit of time with the original Dexter stuff and the VEVOR. One of the things I've noticed here, you look at how they have the spring wrapped around here. We also got like a star wheel adjuster with an auto adjust on it. No such thing here at all. There's no auto adjust on this. It's all manual. I've had this apart and cleaned those up and adjusted them, and they just, I don't know, it just, the way it works, that is a superior unit. Yeah, you see the way they have the spring wrapped up and around, and it binds to hold that. I get it, I understand, but that's a way better setup. Points to VEVOR. Well, we're locked up and we're going to take it on its maiden voyage with the new brakes. We're going to make sure that they work before going to Vancouver. Definitely brakes there. They don't seem to kick on as hard as I would have thought, but There's definitely more brake there than there's ever been before, which is good. Oh yeah, they started heading. So just like the brake controller, how they going? Oh yeah, there's brakes there. My goodness. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's brakes there, for certain. Oh, that's good. It's awesome, actually. Oof. These big 33-inch, 3312s, 15s, they are not a towing at the max capacity type of tire. This trailer with our workout, like our big competition rig, and the weight that's in the front of it, oh yeah, trailer brakes are working. They're just bedding in. You can just feel them grabbing nice now. It's awesome. It's crazy how many kilometers I pulled with with almost none. That's funny. Anyways, VEVOR for the win, I'd have to say. Great value. I mean, the price, you can't beat them. Oh yeah, brakes, super happy. Trailer brakes are done, road test is complete. I'd call it a success. The quality out of the box looks great. In fact, even a little better than what I pulled off. Once the shoes bedded into the drums, the stops were smooth and controllable. For the price at $206, the kit's a no-brainer. Keep in mind you might want to grab some wheel seals and a couple bearings, just in case you want to change those out if you run into one that's bad. Check out VEVOR, and please hit the like and subscribe.